I was good. My mic might be cutting off a little bit, but I'm gonna be responding to a comment here talking about how to make like hitboxes show for obbies. And he also said for fighting games, but I don't really know what like he means. But I mean, I'm gonna make a punch anyway, like a punching or like combat, quote unquote combat system in this little series in it here anyway. So if you want to see how I make the combat system and the hitboxes for that, you can check that. But as for now, I'm gonna do the obby part, like the hitting hitboxes thing for the obbies. Okay, let's get into that. So first, I'm gonna make apart. I'm gonna be using the dot touched method for the hitbox. Okay, I'm not gonna use the spatial querying. I'm gonna use the dot touched event. Okay, we have a part. We're gonna name this part hitbox, just so we can remember it. And we're gonna color this red. Okay, let's add a script inside of it. Yeah, and let me get rid of this right here. We're gonna go to here, and then we're gonna make this transparent. Okay, or actually, no, we're gonna leave it. We're gonna make it transparent in the script, okay? So in the script, you're gonna reference it, we're gonna do local part equals script.parent. We're gonna do part dot transparency equals 1. Okay, let's check that. It should be transparent. Okay, so the hitbox is now visible. This is gonna be our little like kill part, our little death part. Let me actually name this death part. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna do local touch db equals false. I don't know if you want to make this thing like a insta kill, but I'm not. So yeah. So we're gonna do part dot touched connect function, right? And then we're gonna do if touch db, then return n. Basically, it's like a debouncing, preventing multiple hits. Okay, we're gonna do touch db equals true, touch db equals false. Actually, what we can do is we can do this on touched equals function. Let's put in. So we're gonna wrap inside a function. Okay, and let's move this over here, and then we're gonna paste this here, and we're gonna just pass this event or pass this function to this event. Delete that, delete this, and then delete this. Okay, like so. Cool. And now we're gonna do local humanoid equals hit.parent find first child humanoid, right? And then we're gonna make sure we pass hit here because this event passes one parameter, and that's gonna be what touched the part, and that's gonna be we're gonna call that the hit parameter. Okay. All right. So basically, this is saying that we're going to check the hit. So like if this character, let's say this character right here, right, walks and then touches it, right? The hit would be like maybe either the left or the right leg, depending on what touches it first. And then what this line of code is saying that the humanoid is gonna be set to the hit.parent. We're gonna look at the hit's parent and attempt to find humanoid. Okay, so basically we'll be looking at the legs parent, which is gonna be the character, and attempt to find humanoid. Okay, so if anything that's not a character or a character model touches it, it's not going to. This is gonna return nil or nothing in a sense. Okay, so now we're gonna say if we find the humanoid, right? So if humanoid, then we're gonna do humanoid take damage, let's say like 25. Okay, and they're gonna do a wait. It's gonna be the cooldown for the how much it can damage, and then wait for like 2 seconds. Okay, all right, let's play and let's test to see if it works. First of all, if like the whole damaging works before we add the transparency part. Okay, oh, where'd it go? Okay, so, oh yeah, I forgot that it's invisible. So yeah, I see I touched it somewhere here. I don't know where it is, but somewhere here I touched it. Death part, right? Okay, so is there, if I touch it, yeah, I take some damage, okay? Cool. I don't think I saved the, oh man, that sucks. I don't think I saved the, that's not it, bro. I'm gonna figure that out later. But yeah, so, yeah, if I touch that, yeah, if I touch that, then I take damage. Okay, so now let's do the transparency part. Okay, so we're gonna add a service called tween service, right? And we're gonna do when it touches. We're gonna do it right here. Okay, so let's do local tween info equals tween info dot new. Nope, dot new. Let's do the time part. There's more parameters for this depending on what style, how you want it to animate it, but like we're just gonna be using the time just to keep it quick. If you want to look more into the tween info, I'll leave a link down below for the tween info API or the form for it, whatever it's called. Then you can read on that. Okay. Local tween go equals. Let's like do it in like a maybe like a. Oh, hold on. So yeah, let's change the transparency equals 1. We're going to be changing transparency equals 0. Okay, we're going to be changing the transparency of the object, so the visibility of the object. Okay, actually thinking about it, I think we need to do one more thing. So enum.easingstyle dot what was it, bounds? No, I think it's quad, right? So we actually do have to go through this. Okay, so enum.easingDirection dot in and out, and enum repeat count 0, and then we have to do reverses, so that's true. Okay, let's make this actually shorter. So we're gonna actually no, if we leave it at 0.5, right, and we have reverses on, that means we're gonna like the whole animation is gonna take 0.5 seconds. If we leave it at 0.25 and we leave reverses on, then the whole animation is gonna take 0.5 seconds. Okay, all right, cool. So local tween equals tween service, and then create tween service, and then create, right, and then we're gonna create the tween, create the animation. Okay, we're gonna do the instance, which is gonna be the part, the tween info, and then the tween goal. All right, so what's going on here? Tween info. Why is it Oh. All right. I think now we should be good. So we're gonna do tween, and then play, and then it should flash, like it should become like it should become visible for like half a second. Okay. So look, if I touch it, where is it at? If I touch it, see that? Try one more time. Well, let's wait. I think it takes like 2 seconds for the cooldown. Let's try again. See that? I don't know if that's what you meant. Hopefully that's what you meant. And if it is what you meant, I hope the video helped you out. As for the fighting part, I'm going to be making a fighting, like a combat tutorial anyway. So you can just look in that when that comes out. Okay. Let's try making it a bit. Let's try making the hitbox like halfway transparent. And we could even set the material for the actual death part or hitbox or whatever to neon. So neon or force field actually. Force field is I like the way it looks for hitboxes. Yeah, this well besides the glitching part, it looks good. Okay, there you go. Oh well, yeah. Let's try again. So now if I just touch it, you can see that's the hitbox. That's the hitbox. That's the hitbox. And yeah, that's wow. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. Hope this video helped you. And leave a comment if you have any questions or if this wasn't what you meant. But yeah.